Hello and welcome, dear children, in English online class today. I welcome you all on this pleasant morning. Before starting this video, this chapter, I just want to tell you something about the COVID Awareness Week which HGI School is conducting. Students, you have to make a poster, okay, in your A4 size paper, right? And you have to write do and don't of this pandemic, what we have to do and what we don't have to do. Okay, you have to write in the poster what we have to do and what we don't have to do in this pandemic corona. You have to make a poster. Now remember these points. When you are making the poster, you have to click the pictures while doing it. First thing, while you're making the poster, you have to click the picture of the while making the poster, and you have to do in A4 paper. Okay, you don't have to go to market or bring chart or nothing. At home, if your A4 paper is available, in that you can make. Second, once you make, you have to make a video of that recordingly, okay, explaining the points in 45 seconds. 40 to 45 seconds you have to make a video explaining the points, right? Now what you have to do, you have to make a poster. You cannot cut and paste any picture, okay? You can draw and you can color it, okay? So do like what we can do in this, we have to wear mask, we have to carry sanitizer, okay, we have to keep distance. These are the do's. We can have seasonal food, fruits and foods that for the immunity system. This we can have. Should not we should not come close. We should not, okay, keep it like this. We should have a distance, okay? We do not have to spit, okay? Don't spit. Don't eat any junk food. Don't shake hand with each other. Okay, these are don't be like this. There are more points which you can get, which you find out, and you have to make it and record the thing and make a video and send it to your class teacher, right? And so best 3 will be awarded. This is what I've spoken about the awareness week which you have to make. And if you have any doubt, you can call your class teacher and ask. So let's come back today to the English online class. So today, students, I am going to start with the new section of Unit 4, Section B, the amazing story of Kipchoge Keino. Amazing story of Kipchoge Keino. The Kipchoge Keino is a very inspiring story. From this story, we can learn that there's no shortcut to success. Okay, only the hard work pays. मेहनत करोगे तो रंग लाएगा, ठीक है? Now this person, Kipchoge Keino, was also known as Kip, okay, and he was one of the Kenya's greatest athletes, means physically strong, okay, and this man, Kip Keino, won 2 gold medals in the Olympics. So he has brought glories to his country. Okay, and he was born on 17th Jan 1940, Kenya. Okay, and he was admired. Respect for him was there throughout the country for him. So we are going to read the story about him, that how he achieved this thing, this place, how he was achieved, how he had achieved, how he had worked to achieve this position. Okay, so the page number 82 from your Cambridge. Okay, the amazing story. Now before that, what I want, I'm giving a small warm up. You have to find out that these are the 4 players: Will Reeds, Stephen Stenberg, Earl Morrell, Pele. So these are the 4. You have to find which sports they liked, where okay they played, and how or while playing they got injured or they got injury. Okay, the first one, if I say, okay, Wills Reed was an American basketball player, and his injury was thigh injury. Okay, now the rest three you find out and complete this work. There is no substitute for hard work. Correct. Replacement नहीं हो सकता है hard work का. Hard work always pays. There's no shortcut to success. If we need to achieve something, we have to work hard. Then only we can achieve. And perseverance means despite doing something difficult. Okay. This has been proved time and time again by the many individuals in various fields. Yes, this has been proved. This hard work is proved that there are many great players who have individually by themselves have worked and achieved. If I talk about MS Dhoni, okay, he was there working as a collective in Kharagpur station. But he has other determination which determined with hard work. Now he is one of the biggest cricket player. There are many, if you check out, who have achieved with hard work, not with shortcut. And in the field of sports, the story of Kip Keino is perhaps the most inspiring. His story is is very, very interesting, because by reading the story of this Kip Keino, we will get a lesson that if we also work hard, we will also achieve something in life. Let's take an example from your house, children. You can ask, you can talk to your dad and mom how they have worked hard in their life to be success. If today you are getting all the facilities at home, it's just because of the hard work of your parents. They have worked day and night to give you all the facilities. They have sacrificed their life for you all, to give you all the happiness. They have worked very, very hard, children. So you should always respect your parents and love them and care them. So here is a man with never say die attitude. Never had the attitude of giving up. The one who gives up never wins. See, we say no. Quitters never win, right? One who quits never win. So we should not never quit. We should try. Okay. And the positive attitude should be there. So he was sometimes down but never out. Sometimes what happened? At times that things come, then we give up. We say, oh, ab humse nahi ho payega. I cannot do it. But this man, till the last, never ever gave up. He said till he tried his best, and his dreams came true. सपने उसी के साकार होते हैं जो मेहनत करता है. इसने मेहनत की. He worked hard, and that's why his dreams came true, and there was respect for him in his country. And those who always never give up. Yes. One of the Kenya's greatest Olympic athletes. One of the greatest. Greatest is my superlative. Okay, greatest, superlative. So, Olympic athletics. Athletics means physically strong. Okay, the runner-up. Winning the gold medal twice. Twice he won the gold medal for his country. And it's a very big thing. Kip Keino is one of the world's most admired sporting hero. He's a sporting hero. He became the hero of his country. Okay, why? Because all that he brought glories to his country and name to his country. Kenya को अगर दुनिया ने जाना है, just because of him also, when he brought gold medal, and bringing gold medal in Olympics is a big thing. Kip was among the first in a long line of successful middle and long distance runners to come from his country and help inspired many of his countrymen and women. So what he did, he was giving inspiring to others. दूसरों को वो उकसात करता था, समझाता था, दूसरे देख कर सीखते थे. कई सारे, there are many men and women who followed him, and they also became athletics. उनको देख के बहुत लोगों ने सीखा और एथलेटिक्स बन गए. अपने देश के लिए. The story we want to share, जो story here is about the how the Kip almost late for his own race and literally run to get there. He had a race और वो वहां लिटरली बहुत देर से पहुंचे and literally run to get there and won a gold medal anyway. So उसके को रेस था and he somehow reached late but still he won the gold medal despite suffering from gallbladder infection. सोच लो, just think, the man Kip Keino Kipchoge was suffering from gallbladder infection, बीमार से लड़ रहा था, तो भी वो दौड़ा, he ran and ran in such a way कि गोल्ड मेडल अपने देश के लिए लेकर आ गया. तो you can understand children कि he didn't give up, he fought and he ran till last. Kip's grit and determination. Determination means mindset. Mind is set. In winning a gold and silver medal in 1968 Olympics endangered him. Okay, endangered means liked by somebody. Yourself liked by somebody. He was liked by everyone over there and lovers around the world. Kip was liked by all. Everyone admired and respect him because he had done the hard work. He never said, he never gave up. कभी गिव अप दिया ही नहीं उसने, हमेशा हार्ड वर्क किया और हार्ड वर्क ऑलवेज पेज. That drive and single-minded determination succeed against all odds. Odd means कई सारी मुसीबत उसकी लाइफ में आए, hurdles हुए, but उसने कभी हार नहीं मानी. And today one of the great benefactors to underprivileged children in Kenya means overcome poor. Kenya is one of the poor country. तो उसने वो सब छोड़ देख के आज एक केन्या का नाम दिया. Keino is best known for training 1800 meters above sea level, which helps to introduce high altitude training, a technique to improve running time and altitude. But he used to run, practice day and night. A member of Nandi tribe. Nandi tribe means East Africa से. Member of Nandi tribe. Okay, from East Africa. Okay. He was born. Okay, he was born. He was from the East Africa. Okay, and he was born in a Kipsano, Kenya. Okay, his humble beginning. He came from a humble beginning. Humble means a very soft-spoken person from family. And his name Kipchoge, Nandi expressing that born near the grain storage head. Grain means the seeds of wheat and rice. तो वो एक किसान का बेटा, जैसे होता है ना किसान का बेटा, तो वो उस घर से आया था. He was not from a rich, well-off, born with gold spoon. He has come from a very poor family. और उस लड़के ने, the boy who came from poor family, has showed the world. Like our honorable Prime Minister of India, Mr. Narendra Modi. He was also from a poor family, middle class family. And today he is one of the world-renowned person. Right? There are many players, many sports persons who have come from very poor family and they have been most renowned people. So Kipchoge or Kip was from a very humble family, very small, down to the earth, coming from a family of farmers, and both his parents died when he was very young. So he lost his parents, mom and dad, at the young age, and his aunt has brought him up, who raised him up and took care of this child. Okay?